All right, guys, we're putting together the Shelix head, and what I did was I pulled both sides off and then did a lot of the little tedious stuff really fast. And then what I had to do is just like getting the other piece out, I had to take all the carbides off, and I took that one out, just got everything free, the snap rings off, and then pounded it from this side from left to right. And now I'm installing it the same way, and all I had to do is put my hand in there and hold it straight, because it will try to go cockeyed, and then just slowly tap it in. And I just got it to seat, and I thought I'd show you from here. I'm not good at posting long videos, but then I'm just gonna tap it in the rest of the way with a nice little mallet here. And actually, I'm gonna use my punch so that way I don't mushroom that head. I just got a little punch like this here, and I'm just gonna put it in the end and drive it in. I think that is perfect right there. Okay, now I'm just gonna put my snap rings on both sides. And I just use this with a little hammer and tap it and make sure that it's seated. There we go, you could hear it click. Now I'm gonna just give it a little bit more of a tap. There we go. And put this side snap ring in. Sorry I can't show you all the angles, but I'll do my best here. So now we got just a little snap ring. I left that belt just hanging there, but these snap ring pliers are garbage, but I had them out, so I'm using them. There we go. And it snapped in by itself. Yep. Okay, so that's that. Now we got to remember all the steps. So this guy, that guy went on there, and then I got a little keyway. Don't drop this keyway, because when stuff hits the floor, as you know, it's hard to find out where it fell. I got a little blowgun here to blow anything clean. Make sure you don't blow any important pieces out of the way here. So this guy, I might have to roll it on like I rolled it off. Let's hold this and seat it on there like that. And so what I did with this is I just rolled it on little by little. Probably not the right thing to do, but it works for me. Kind of got to manipulate the back one because it catches on the grooves there. But there, I think that worked just fine. So that's on there. Now, let's put our nut on. I try to look for the wear This one doesn't really have wear marks, and it looks like it go either way either. So it's just reassembling what you just disassembled. Pretty simple. Uh-oh. I should have checked this nut first. Oh yeah, I see on this nut it's got a little bit of burr on there. Darn it, I should have checked that first. I got these little needle files here. And what I'll do is I'll just lightly I'm not sure what kind of threading tool they used on these, but I got a thread chaser too, but I like that. Let me grab a wrench and see. Let's see if I can get this to go on a little. As long as it doesn't seem too bound, I'll be all right. All right, we'll put our lock on here. Doesn't seem to have a lock though. I hope this is the right size. It seems to be. I just wedged something in there to it's just from being a new thread, but so I'll give that a little wrap with the impact just to make sure it's set. I'm gonna call that good. Try one more time. That's good. All right. Well, I mean, it's just a matter of putting everything back together, putting all your carbides in and testing it out. So I'll stop it there because it's already 9 minutes, and I'll give you a view.